my reason for using the Dynaudio monitors over other brands, I felt that the audio aspects of the Dynaudio were far more pleasing for me and far more consistent in their results.
My name is James Mather. I'm the sound supervisor on Harry Potter. We do atmospheres, dialogues, effects, sound design. And so there's a whole variety of frequencies that we work with. The old monitors have been superseded by Dynaudios. Generous, voluminous sound to work with. It's got a lovely tonality in the low end bass. It's got a neutral mid-range. The high end isn't too crunchy and toppy.
Hi, Dan Vicari here at LAFX Recording Studio. We've used them on many types of projects, AC/DC, DVDs, Hendrix albums that have come out in the last couple of years. Of very true speakers. I have every engineer that has used them, they all tell me when they leave, they know what they have.
If you sit down and close your eyes, if you're sitting in front of your speakers, you think the musician is standing right in front of you.